Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to do pipe in Revit. So first of all, we need one template. So I'm clicking on new and browse it from here. So this is an imperial template. So I need English and a metric template. So I'm just go to the English. Then you will get a system default metric template. Okay, then click OK. So it was opening the plumb mechanical or all the mechanical system included in the system template. So each so then I'll show you how to draw the pipes over here. So I'll just close this one and I'm going to here the pipe plumbing. And if you want, this is the elevations. Okay, so these are the elevations. So if you don't want to type VV, visibility graphics, and go here and you can just type E and you can put it off the electrical elevations. And if you want all the things, okay, just click OK. Okay, so that will be gone, and we will go the system tab first, and here is the all the mechanical equipments, the pipe fittings, and everything are here. So we'll choose the pipe from here. You can get it like a PI for the short key for the pipe. Okay, just click that one and go the here at the edit types, and you can edit the pipe also, and you can duplicate this one, and we can call it pipe one. You can give as per your standard names, and click on the routing reference. So then you will be getting this the material, the pipe segment, you can get it from here. Okay, so which one, copper, iron, something like that. So for example, I'm just keeping this one. Okay, so click OK and click OK. And even this one I'm changing to sanitary or something like domestic cold water. Okay, so then you can choose the pipe diameter from here. I'm choosing 200, and the level from the left was first level to second level, you can use this one, and I'm choosing 2500 for the level, and just click from here to here. So it is not visible. Then what we'll do, go here the downstairs and detail, and just click fine, so it is visible. If you want to more detail, you can just give us a shade. Okay, so the next the 200 is created here. So the next one I need to 2500 from here to 2750. Then I am just clicking this one. So there will be one bend will come, the level difference. So if you click that one, so you can see it in the 3D. So it is look like this. So if you look like this, see, this was there. So you can increase the level if you want. This is not comfortable for you, then you just type it around. Uh, you can say this one is 3000. Enter it. So that will be change. So if you go to the shaded one, so this we can see it from here, and real color. If you need real things, so you can see the pipes over here. Okay, then go here, and we can do another pipe also from here. Okay, so we will call it as like anyway, you know how to duplicate. So I'm just choosing this one, hot water, and I am choosing the level, size of the pipe is 90, and same level you can change as per your standard. So I'm just closing like this and drawing like this. Okay, so this is very simple steps, and you can do like this all the pipes and with a different level. If you want to split the pipes, just click it that one. Okay, so you need from here to here another level. Just click it that one and split from here. Okay, so just click two parts. So then you just delete this one. Okay, just delete this one and giving this another dimension. So okay, we need to down this one, and just a simple command tr, just type tr and just select. Otherwise you just make like click on this one and just join like this. So it will automatically, it will connect to and the next pipe. So if you go to the 3D view, you can see here it was connected here. Okay, so this is the way we can draw the pipe. And even next one, and go to the system and pipe, and if you have another pipes, if you need another pipes, okay, so you can also draw here the size and everything, and levels also you can give. So here is a clash, you can see here is a clash. So what we'll do, we'll go to the 3D and you can see how it's look. Okay, so if you go here and you can see there will be a clash. Okay, so we need to break the clash, and what we'll do, we'll just click the pipe. Okay, click the pipe and go to the split. Okay, so you'll just please split it that one, and just remove the things from here. Okay, delete it, and just make this pipe a little bit up. So we will call this one 3100 3100, enter. So the pipe will be go up, and what we'll do, go here, and we can see here, sorry, it's you can see here, and we just need to draw like this. So it will automatically, it will connect to the next level of pipe. And you can see in the you can see here in the 3D view, you can see how it's work. Okay, so type WT for 3D view. Okay, two windows, so you see this, the pipe is coming like this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It is related to AutoCAD and Revit. So thank you for watching. Thanks.